Vine charcoal are the long twig-like pieces of charcoal that probably come in a box similar to the one you see in the image. Um, so it's important when you're using the tone ground drawing to only use the vine charcoal to tone the paper with. It's because it's easily erasable, unlike the other kinds of charcoal that we'll be using a little later in the drawing. I generally will break the pieces in half so I have a little more control over them. And I just start using the broad side of it. And the idea is to really coat the whole paper in the vine charcoal. And you might go in several directions. Be careful that you have a clean surface to work on, because any sort of little thing under the paper is going to sort of make an impression. But soon what you're going to do is then take the paper towel, or if you happen to have a chamois cloth, but in this case I'm using a paper towel, is after I've coated the paper with the vine charcoal, I'm going to start toning it, and with a paper towel working it into the fibers of the paper. So it's really as even as I can get it, and I even will probably have to make a couple passes over it with the vine charcoal. And you'll notice as you're doing this, it's normal for the vine charcoal to be crumbly, and also you'll probably need multiple pieces of it because it goes on pretty quickly. So with a toned ground drawing, the idea is we're going to then work our way using an eraser to draw with to pull out the highlights. So that is really the function and the benefit of using this way of drawing. And make sure it's all the corners of the drawing are coated with the vine charcoal. So there'll be some variety of grays, but it should be somewhere in the middle gray range. And then once that's done, you're ready to start the drawing, and using the eraser and the vine charcoal, which I'll show you in the next video. You'll start blocking in the drawing using vine charcoal and an eraser.